Hello and welcome back to Deck Builders Charlotte. I'm glad you're here because today's topic might save you from one of the most expensive mistakes homeowners can make: hiring the wrong contractor. Building or replacing a deck isn't just about installing boards. It's about creating a strong structure that handles weather, weight, and time. At Tuff Deck Builders Charlotte, we've seen projects installed by inexperienced crews that start falling apart after only a few years. Mistake number 1, choosing a builder based purely on the lowest price. It's tempting, but often that means cutting corners. You might end up with subpar framing material or missing hardware, problems hidden under the surface until it's too late. Mistake number 2, not getting everything in writing. A professional provides a detailed estimate listing materials, hardware, timelines, and cleanup terms. That paper trail protects both sides. Mistake number 3, skipping background checks. Always confirm a builder's license, insurance, and references. A quick call to a past client can tell you more than a website ever could. Now let's talk about materials. Experienced builders will discuss options beyond basic wood. Composite decking brands like Trex and Fiberon deliver exceptional durability with low maintenance. The builder you hire should feel comfortable explaining why certain materials work better in the Charlotte climate. Another common mistake is ignoring structural safety. If your builder doesn't mention things like proper footings, flashing, or ledger connections to your home, it's a red flag. These are what make decks safe and code compliant. You can reach our team at 980-998-0872 or visit tuffdeckbuilderscharlotte.com to schedule a consultation. We believe in transparency from day one, clear communication, proven materials, and quality craftsmanship. Hiring the right people saves frustration, money, and ensures your deck performs beautifully year after year. That's it for this episode of Deck Builders Charlotte. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more expert insight into safe and durable outdoor living construction.